Hello guys! Part 4 of restoration of this bike. Today we are cleaning this part of the bike, and spokes as well. I am using aluminum foil and WD-40. Spray a little WD-40 and start rubbing. After that, we go over it again with a metal brush. We wipe it all off. It looks very good, so we move on to the other part. We take a stiff sponge and start rubbing it into the spokes. At the end, we take aluminum foil and go over the entire wheel. Now your wheel shines like new. Thank you for watching.